by
KH2's hashtag LOL.
And today I'm doing another Latch Hook video, and I'm not going to be talking in this video very much because in my other Latch Hook video I showed you how to hook the yarn onto the canvas and everything like that. So I'm just going to be showing you my 11th project, so yeah. So in total I have 11, and I only have 3 completely made into pillows. So this frog one and that one. And these are the backs, and then I have one more. So the other completed pillow is a baseball that I made for my brother, and the one that I'm working on now is a Midnight Wolves Latch Hook, and KSU's hashtag LOL is working on a Tigger one, and we'll show you the difference between the two. So the first kind is when you have no color on the canvas, so you have to look at the chart to see where the colors are laid out. And then the second option is to have the colors on the canvas.
It comes with a chart, but you don't really need it. I only use it for to tell something
So this is what mine looks like so far. The rest looks like the wall. So in my other video, I